So here we are the next morning. It was about 12:30 when I turned on the vacuum pump to start to perform the vacuum, to get into the vacuum decay test. Right now I've been pulling the vacuum to see how low it will go, and it appears I was able to go at this point over here at this gauge, going through the ports inside the manifold of the 557S, down to 7.4 microns, and it appears the Testo has a bottom limit, no matter what, is 10 microns. So no matter how much farther I go below 10 on the blue vac, the Testo just stops right at 10 and doesn't fall any further. Of course, I ran out of battery last night, and I wasn't going to go out to my vehicle and grab more batteries because all my rechargeables, because I've been switching over to rechargeables and I've gotten away from regular standard batteries because I literally go through hundreds of dollars of batteries a year. And I discovered, I always knew, but I was too lazy to go out and get them, but getting rechargeables ends all that problem. And actually, this is a very good, reliable, high capacity rechargeable battery. It's by Panasonic, called In-Loop, and for all your devices that take batteries and rechargeables, this is one of the best bang for the buck that gives you the most life out of a battery. So that's it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close off the vacuum source from the vacuum pump. So I'll close that. And I'm going to leave on, now that I have a fresh battery in there, and hopefully it doesn't lose connection, I'm going to leave the graph going so it can record over time. As you can see, I'm already into it, approaching 3 minutes. And we'll see what our vacuum decays to. Okay. There you go. So it's now shut off. And you can see the vacuum rise, and it rises so little you'll just barely see it here. You could read it here, and then over time you'll see that graph slowly start drifting up, and you already can see the Testo went up 1 micron. That's it, guys. Let's see when I get back from work what the decay goes up to.